Hello guys, today we're going to discuss about the Codeforces round 165 division 2, the problem statement, problem called a fancy fence. This is pretty much easy question, but some of you may not understand what the question are asking. So let me clarify it for you. So I don't know why they use, let me first read out the question first. So Amos Clark needs a fence around his farm, but he is too lazy to build it himself. So he purchased a fence building robot. So he wants the fence to be regular polygon. This is the key part. What is regular polygon? A regular polygon means the polygon which will have n sides and each side will contain the same internal angle. This is the important thing to remember. The robot builds the fence along a single path, but it can make only fence corner at a single angle A, which we will take as the internal angle of a polygon. So the question says, will the robot be able to build the fence image slot once? In other words, is there a regular polygon which angles are equal to A? So as usual, the input will give us some test cases, and each test case will contain a single integer A, which we will take as the internal angle of the polygon. So this problem can be easily solved by the geometrical formula of polygons for basically regular polygons. As we know, let's jump into the logic part. So as we know, the polygon which is a regular polygon, it will have n side each, and each side will have same internal angle. As I said, the formula comes like that. For internal angle of a regular polygon is, let's take it A for the better understanding. So if it is A, then the according to internal polygon of n side, let's assume that the polygon have n sides, n-sided internal n-sided. Let's assume it has n-sided. So the internal angle of the n-sided polygon will be n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. So this is the perfect law. This is the main actual law of the internal angle of any regular polygon. So from this formula we got this the value of n. The n is equal to 360 by 180 minus A. So here A means sorry, let me clarify it. This is no. So here A is the internal angle and n is the number of sides the polygon have. So we will use this formula in this code part to solve this question. So let me show you the code part. Oh, one thing, if how can we understand is it possible to make any polygon or not? So we will put the value of internal angle here. If we get any integer number, then we can say that it is possible to make a polygon. But if this answer is not an proper integer, then we can easily say that this is not possible to make any regular polygon by this internal angle. So that was the basic code part for this problem. Okay, let me show you. So this is the code I have written. So I took the angle and I just did what I said. I took a variable and I just used this formula, and I checked if it is possible, it is an integer or not. If this is an integer, then I printed yes and else no. So there was a pretty a decent question, and not much hard, but if you know the formula, I think it will help you, and that's it. Thanks for